Pooriisi kwatanise n'omuhwezi wa RDC Gadorugaju batandikira hari Great Lakes Regional University ubu barukushohoza we no biraramu bagumize ngo nebihandiko ku rugo mu koti nibyikirize bitongore byo nebirya hansi ya chiefcode ngo birujyo mu mikono ya natkwasa Honest Wilkins hamwe na mishana ngo bizo mu mikono ya Hamlet na body.
After hearing all this, then you are a trespasser and police has every right to pick you up. So I'm asking you in immediate effect with your teeth, if you are not contented, you leave this premise, grant to court.
Why are you threatening me?
Court ruling was saying the ones in the university are there illegally and they don't have mandate to actually sue the one they sued. So it was dismissed. Then the IGP wrote that we should help as security.
I don't want people who are not party to the institution to be here. If they are not party out.
The IGP wrote, and when he wrote, the heading says, request for police protection and intervention to repossess Great Lakes University campus and chiefcode schools.
Pooriisi yagumizamo harikira ma parents primary school aho bashoboza headmaster n'abakume bona bakihwaho imbundu kandi baragirwa kurekeraho gukora nuko hatebweho abakoza basya.
Way above. Not again to enter inside, but out of the premise you are free to go. Now, in case you have, what is that? You are the old management that is not needed currently in the school.
Nubu harabe habaho abagezeho kuhakanisa cyukoro weki bitu byabe byabusha.
Because today students have reported, recess students, and on 5th they are starting their exams. And as a guilty member, I'm answerable to them. So I was asking, because these ones are students, and
aba bagumizamo no kwetorora amashomera gandi gona gari mu kitongure cya chiefcode agara munyamirama parents primary school, Nyakabungo parents primary school, Rutenga parents primary school, Great Lakes high school ubwo barukora nico cyumwe nubu kirabe kiringwa amashomero gakwasibwa bebembeza basya tubatunga bishumuruzo bya za office n'ababire barumo tubayanjura office zabo mu butongore bitwa basya nabagira ngo egi niyo ntandikiriro eyabura kimwe kirazi gukorwa.
Twataho mu university yitu nambwe no hatwatandikire ku planinga twantukura marketing plan kureba ko turarunde beji no kutwa informing abeja babire bagira mu cyumuro
Gashakwa Hweza Wilfred.